Hi everyone, I'm back with another animal origami video, and today we'll be making the Big-Beak bird. So this is how the origami will look at the end, hopefully. So yeah, let's begin with a square piece of origami paper like usual. And we will be folding a helmet base first, so you will turn this diagonally and fold it in half. Then after folding it in half, we're going to fold it in half again. We're going to open it back out, and we're going to fold the flaps on the left and right towards the center fold here. Cool, so this is our helmet base, so we can start from here. We will open the helmet base again, so we're gonna turn it around this way and open it back up. See all our creases, and what we're going to do is for these bottom two triangles here, we're going to fold them up to the creases we just made. So starting with the left, fold one side up, then unfold, and then fold this side up to make a crease that's adjacent to the other side, and unfold it, and then at the top we're going to fold this down, so it's kind of like a rough fold, but about, I think maybe more than that actually. This should hopefully be enough. Cool, and then after that we are going to fold the tip towards the top crease, like so. And then with the other one, we're going to fold it down so that it tucks in underneath here. So I'm gonna just unfold this and fold the top down so it's inside here like so, crease it down and fold it back, and then this is how it should look, the two folds overlapping. And then we're gonna flip it to the other side like so, and we're gonna fold it back on itself, so these two back up like we're folding a helmet base again. Like so. And then after that we're gonna crisscross these two. So hopefully this is gonna work. So like so, these are now crisscrossed. And then we are going to tuck the tips into one another. So I'm gonna pray that this goes correct. those are both tips on either side tucked into one another, and then we're just gonna fold and squeeze down as we kind of like push them down in, tucked in properly as we do that. And it should be like so. And then basically we're gonna squeeze these two together like that. And if we tuck our fingers in here, this is basically our puppet, like so. So it kind of right now looks like a witch doctor playing mask because it's undecorated, but basically you can add eyes here and then feathers around there, and you basically have your Big-Beak bird. So I'll quickly add that in. I don't have feathers on me at the moment, but you can add them yourself or find some around. So here's how the final thing looked with its face drawn, and I didn't find feathers, but I found this like stringy puffle thing that was like lying about. So I was like, actually I can use this. So, you know, it's kind of just tucked in there because don't want to stick it in and whoever it is be annoyed that I stole it. But yeah, it looks really cool like this, and there's a little string so you could hang it up. So, you know, multi-purpose, a puppet and a decoration. But yeah, I hope all yours turned out well too, and I hope you just all enjoyed this tutorial in general. So as usual, thanks everyone for watching. Write a comment down below what you thought of this video or anything you want to recommend me. Thumbs up this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content, and subscribe for more origami videos and other sorts of arts and craft content I post on here. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!